Hi everyone, this is Sagar Shah and I am currently at the Phoenix Market City Mall here in Mumbai, and we are on the last day of the Big Chess summer camp here. Let me take you through and let me tell you a few stories of what's happening inside. So this is the camp area you can see here. It's just filled with lot of chess boards and pieces, and here you have the banners. Here you have the Big Chess Inter-School, which will happen in 2 days from now. And here we have a young boy. Hi, what's your name?
Arish.
Arish? Arish, what are you doing? You are a student here or you are a volunteer?
I am a student. I completed all the papers, but it's more fun volunteering.
Oh, you are a volunteer. How old are you?
I'm 10.
10 years old.
10 years.
And you are helping others.
Yeah.
Wow.
fun.
Is this something that you really love, enjoy?
Yeah. I love volunteering more than solving and winning.
Wow. How did this interest come at such a young age? Because everyone loves to play, to solve.
Yeah, but helping someone is more than your more happiness. I figured that out.
Wow,
Helping
that's
someone gives
so nice to know. So these are the sheets that we give to people here who come in. It starts from sheet number 1 here, and the first sheet is,
second.
this is the second sheet, ultimate beginner sheet. It goes all the way down to 15 level 1, then level 2 is 16 to 30, and then goes till level 40, sheet 45. And those who finish 40 sheets get a certificate. Wow. And here we have one of the head trainers of the camp, Priyanka. Hello, Priyanka.
Hi.
Priyanka, how was your experience of the camp?
I think there are a lot of things that remind me of our previous camps. But then this time there are a lot of new faces, and I think this time the dedication level is to another level. The ones who have been very consistent in, like, this is the 5th edition, and they've come to all 5 camps. Their game has improved considerably. Like, they've become very strong. The way they're able to find not simple tactics, but now they're able to create opportunities. So I think that is tremendous progress I've seen.
Wow.
People who have attended camp 1 till the 5th edition.
Amazing. And
Yeah.
you also have prepared few of the sheets. Which
Yeah.
one is your favorite sheet from these?
I like sheet 40,
40.
which is minor piece endgame.
Can you show it to our viewers?
Yes. I think it's this one. No. This one. This is the sheet.
This is the sheet, minor piece endgames, and it's made by you.
Yes.
And these are very interesting positions.
There are a few puzzles which are like mind-blowing.
Mind blowing.
Yeah, a lot of kids have come to me and they said we were mind-blown.
Wow.
So I think this sheet is definitely a success
Brilliant.
on a personal level.
That's fantastic. And thank you, Priyanka, for
Thank
doing
you
this.
so
This
much,
is the 5th camp, 5th edition, and it's going beautifully. And here we have the registration desk. Everyone comes here and registers. And we have Pratima here, who has been sitting throughout the event and registering people. Hello, Pratima.
Hello, Sagar. Hello, everyone.
How was the experience here? How many people came roughly? Could you tell our viewers?
Roughly, we had some 530, above 530 people, and it was a really nice experience. We had kids and we had old people from every age group. We had people registering, and they also brought other people, other friends to participate and play chess amongst each other.
Wow, so you had a lot of people of different age groups.
Yeah.
Sometimes parents would come with their kids but would also start solving.
Yeah. So parents also participated. Their grandparents would also participate, and they would also bring their neighbors and friend circles, and they
Wow.
would also participate here from the WhatsApp group broadcast and everything. So we had people from every age group and friend circles. When we had friend circles, so either 1 or 2 friends were playing, then the whole
Everyone
friend circle
was.
started playing, and
Wow.
everyone got interested.
So in 6 days, close to more than 500 people learned chess.
Yes,
of
we
different
had
things.
approximately we had 70 on an average 70 to 75 people participating on a daily basis. They also returned on the very next day, and they participated throughout the 5 to 6
Beautiful.
days.
That's so nice to know. And you yourself, are a tech person.
Yes.
You live in Delhi.
Yeah.
You came all the way here. So,
to-
on a personal level, how was the experience for you?
It was very nice. I had also started solving sheets for, and I could also correct some low level sheets which I could, and I also got interested in playing chess. Many people helped me. So basically, I hadn't played offline yet. So this was also another experience where people taught me how to play offline. So basically, online it's very easy only. So yeah, that's all.
Beautiful. Thank you, Pratima, for your experience that you shared. We also have Karthik Bhai here, who is the strategic designer at ChessBase India. Karthik, but here you were a solver.
I was a solver, I was a volunteer, I was a helper.
How did you enjoy the overall vibe of the camp? I think it's the first time you have spent, or maybe you were there at the last camp as well.
Yes, so the last camp was my first as a volunteer. I have attended the previous camps as a participant. So it's good to be on the other side helping people. Yeah, overall, I really look forward to this time of the year because we get to meet the extended CBI family. And since most of us are working remote jobs, it's really nice. And also to just connect with so many more people on a day-to-day basis. It's a lot of fun.
And you yourself have loved the sort of art of volunteering. You have done that before. What do you think that volunteering here does?
So firstly, I think, like I said, you get to interact with so many people. It is just a very nice, warm experience. And you get to learn so much by helping others. I think when people first think about volunteering, they think about giving back to people. But in the end, I think it leaves you more enriched than anything else.
Beautiful, beautiful. Karthik Bhai, and you had any favorite sheets here?
So there was one sheet which I was solving yesterday, which had a few very good puzzles. It was the sheet.
Double attack, maybe.
Yes, yeah. It was beautiful. A few
Okay.
of those puzzles were just remarkable.
So nice to know. Thank you so much, Karthik Bhai, for your experience. And here we also have a beautiful frame, so people can stand here and take pictures. It says every grandmaster was once a beginner. We have Vidhi here. Hello, Vidhi. You are here. You have been the person who has organized a lot of things here. How has been the experience for you in putting together this camp?
I think it has been amazing, and this time we have gone, a game ahead in our marketing, where we have been able to get this. Big thanks to Phoenix as well for helping us get a photo wall that we wanted this time, and we have had various standees promoting the upcoming events that we are going to have this week. But what was the highlight for me was the fact that this time we were all leading the event, and it was not just me who was heading, because the initial days I was not there. So everyone came together, and as a team, someone was taking care of the volunteer aspect, someone was taking care of the Phoenix aspect, where any coordination required with the Phoenix officials is taken care of. Someone was taking care of the setup aspect. So everyone divided work, and we made sure that things go seamlessly. If one person is facing an issue, then people will come together, they make sure they help each other. So it was really nice. This time we have also got a bigger setup. Generally we have just 50-55.
Generally we have 30 tables, so we have like 60 people max. But this time we had 55 tables, is that correct?
Yes, that's correct. And in fact, we also have 30 tables extra, which they gave us during the solving contest, and then they said that keep it for the rest of the 3 days as well. So we actually have 80 tables set up with us.
And we can see right now it's almost filled to the brim, so maybe there are already 100 people inside
Yes,
at this point.
absolutely. So every single day when I was going home, I was thinking, कि इस बार लोग नहीं आ रहे. But then when Pratima would tell us the numbers, I was a little shocked कि why am I not seeing so many people, because har baar what happens is that we don't have enough chairs to accommodate. Then sometimes parents or the guardians will give a chair to the solvers or the participants. Then I realized कि setup bada hai, which is why we are able to accommodate everyone who is coming this time, and then nobody has to compromise. So it's
nice.
been great this time. It's been very comfortable for everyone.
So of all the events that you organize, what is unique about the summer camp and the winter camp? This is exactly the big chess camp. What do you like about it?
The community feeling is something that I really love, because generally it's just 2-3 of us who are in the city of Mumbai, who are managing different events or taking care of things. For this, particular, both the camps that we have, the biannual camps that we host, we have people coming in from different parts of the country, not just our team members like say Adarsh or Pratima, but also we have so many volunteers who come from Pune and Nashik, and they join us throughout the 6-7 days of the camp. So it's like everyone coming together and making it happen. Just for the love of chess, because we want more people to join the community, we want more people to learn. So that is just very special for me. And then we also, like, after the camp finishes, we all go together to eat something or go for bowling or for playing something. So it's just a very, we just bond together over
Beautiful.
chess.
Thank you, Vidhi, for sharing your experience and also for doing a lot of things to set this up.
Yes, thank you.
And we move on to our stall here. We have a Chess Base India shop with all the books. We have chess sets here. We have Gookie, the golden boy. Chesspa meets Gookie. Some sale, stock clearance sale there. And we have Ankush bhai here. We have Raju bhai here. Ankush bhai, first to you. हिंदी में पूछता हूँ मैं आपको, आप इधर चेस खेलने लगे?
हाँ यस सर, थोड़ा इंटरेस्ट यानी कभी कभी ऐसे देखते देखते थोड़ा इंटरेस्ट आया. देन प्रणाली ने थोड़ा बहुत बताया कि ऐसे खेलते हैं. देन थोड़ा स्टार्ट किया.
तो ये कैसे मतलब इंटरेस्ट आ गया, क्योंकि आप तो चेस बेस इंडिया में अभी 2 साल से काम कर रहे हो या ज़्यादा?
नहीं सर, अभी दूसरा साल स्टार्ट है.
2 साल तो
Yes.
तभी आप चेस नहीं खेले, सडनली इधर खेलने लगे आप?
अचानक से यानी ऐसे लगा कि खेलना चाहिए.
तो क्या इच्छा क्या हुआ ये सब इतने सारे लोगों को देखकर?
पता नहीं सर, हो सकता है. इसे आइडिया नहीं है, मगर थोड़ा मन किया कि खेलना चाहिए, बस थोड़ा स्टार्ट किया.
और आपको कई लोगों ने सिखाया फिर
हाँ,
चेस
yes,
खेलना?
yes, yes.
तो
विधि ने, कार्तिक ने, फिर उसके बाद अपना तन्वेश के साथ कभी कभी खेलता था. अक्षत के साथ ज़्यादा पहले तो प्रणाली ने स्टार्ट किया था. मैंने उससे पूछा था तो बताती थी कैसे से खेलने हैं, ऐसे मूव कर रहे हैं. देन उसके बाद स्टार्ट हुआ थोड़ा.
क्या बात है, तो बहुत अच्छी खबर है. अब आप आगे भी खेलोगे?
यस यस सर.
क्या बात है, बढ़िया. And here we have Raju bhai. Raju is here. Raju, you have just recently joined Chess Base India. It's been 2 months now or 3 months?
4 months approximately.
4?
Yeah.
Wow, time flies by. But you've been solving sheets. You've been at the stall. You've been helping people. Tell us your experience, because for you it's the first camp that you have attended.
Certainly. Actually, since after I have joined the CBI Chess Base India in the month of January, this is the first camp I'm just witnessing. This has been a very, very beautiful experience for me. I used to just saw some reels and videos about the reel, about this camp and the club, everything. Now I am the one, actually the happiest person about being here, that I'm witnessing. And I enjoyed a lot of things here, solving the puzzles, helping the people, the beginners. As a motive of this camp we have, that if you do not know how to move the pieces, we are here to help you out. And you will be the one, after the 6 days of camp, you will be the one that you actually play the chess very well. So actually I can see the motive is being fulfilled with this camp on the last day of this camp. Again, I'll talk about more my experience, personal experience, that being a stall representative here, I'm enjoying a lot helping the people who's coming around here at the stall, and again asking for the recommendation of the book and products. And of course, I've got a good knowledge about the our Saturday club or anything. Like I've been in the, I'm always there in the office and the Temple of Chess. So there are a lot of things that I have to share with the people, and I can just help out them. And I like to encourage everyone, please come down to here. We have a lot of resources we have available. You can just take most out of them. So I continuously I put in my suggestions, and I like interacting with people. The very most important thing, and actually my favorite part, where I feel that where I feel alive when I interact with people. So this is the great opportunity for me, that I can meet, I can just talk to the people, and they are coming towards me. They are asking for the help. They are asking for the recommendation. Anything which is happening around in the Mumbai by Chess Base India, and I'm
so
the
nice
one.
to know, Raju
Yeah.
bhai. Can you tell our viewers which were the books that people liked the most, or you recommended to them?
Certainly. I'll start with the kids first. So basically, we have the very beautiful book here, Chesspa Meets Gookie, and this book is actually the complete journey of world chess champion D. Gukesh. So this is something animated stories. First of all, I'll show some pictures here, and along with that, we have got a few.
His real life pictures as well at the
Yes.
end of it.
End of it.
So you can see here illustrated version and also the real life pictures. So this is one book,
One book.
that was a lot of people liked it. What else?
For beginners, we do have the chess course, which actually the people likes a lot.
That's by Praful
Okay.
Zaveri.
Praful Zaveri. Again, for some advanced player, I am suggesting here the 100 endgames.
You must know.
Yeah, the Game Changer is one of the book actually people are liking.
It's also Gukesh's favorite book. One
Gukesh's
of
favorite.
Yes.
Yeah.
And here we have Silman's Endgame
Endgame
course
and,
and also Reassess.
Reassess, yes. We have a lot of combos here actually. For example, Silman and then again Jacob Agard, Arthur Yusupo, Boris Gelfand. These are the combo we have available on this stall here. As far as the books are concerned, we have some chess boards. We have three
Small
sizes.
board, big
Yeah.
board, everything here.
Yeah.
We also have some t-shirts here.
Yeah, some apparel, t-shirt. We have here zipper. We have sweatshirt. We have hoodies. We have plain shirt like round neck or any collared t-shirt. Again, here some more books
And
we
some
have.
books which are a little bit damaged, so it's like a stock clearance sale. So you give it for discount.
Yeah, a lot of huge discount we are offering on the depending on the damage of this book. So stock clearance we have here, and these books are actually people are liking, and they are getting most out of them. They are getting a huge discount, and they can just go ahead and improve their game by reading these books. They are really beautiful games. books.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Raju bhai, for your experience here. This is brilliant. We also have. Hello, hi. What's your name?
My name is Nehal Deshmukh.
Nehal, you were always on the phone. You were shooting everything.
Yes.
You must have captured some 10-20 GB of data here.
Oh, really? But
You're a
hello.
volunteer here.
Yes, I am a volunteer, and I especially told Vidhi to means I am a mobile photographer, so I can click awesome pics and videos of the camp. And thanks to Vidhi for giving a chance to volunteer this camp. I really love to do photography, and also my nature is to help people and give them happiness. So giving someone happiness makes me happy.
Wow.
Like that.
So nice to know. Thank
Yes.
you, Nehal,
Thank you so much.
for this, and thank you for doing this. Oh, we have Vedant here. Arey, Vedant bhai, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you, Sagar?
Vedant, you came out of the blue today.
Yeah, I just was roaming around in the mall. Just thought, come pay a visit to a beautiful chess club.
Very nice. Please see the camp. I think you haven't been here before, right?
No, I
At the
haven't
big
been
chess
here.
camp ever.
No, I've never been to the.
So
chess
we
club.
would love you to have a look, and then later on we'll show you around. But how is
Definitely.
your prep going on for the Tata Steel
It's
next
actually
year?
going on really well. I also posted a nice Instagram story revealing what I'm preparing.
Yes,
so
we shared it today.
Yeah. So all of you guys can check it out. What goes behind the scenes and a lot of work.
Oh,
So, yeah. Wish
Amazing.
everyone chess and happy summers, guys.
Thank you, Vedant. We have like super strong players here who have come. That's so nice to know. Hello, bhai. Neeraj bhai is here. Neeraj bhai.
Hello.
You have been here from day one. What role did you play at the camp?
Actually, I played multiple roles. Like, I also solved sheets here because it's very interesting to solve sheets. As a volunteer, it's very interesting that you are solving different kind of puzzles, tricky puzzles. And I also checked many of the sheets. I held many of them with the sheets. I also was at the registration desk to register many of them. So this was my role for past week.
What makes you come to the big chess camp? Because you are like volunteering here right from day one, all the hours you were here. What is it that makes you feel good?
It's like the journey started from lockdown. I started watching you, I started watching Samay. So it like the love for chess increased in me. As I also play chess with my mother, she taught me chess, how to play chess. As I also participated in my school competition. So the love for chess increased from there. And by hearing that Chess Base India is like doing such a big camp on a large scale, that made me thought that I also want to contribute something here.
Beautiful. Thank you, Neeraj bhai, for this. We have some amazing, amazing people here. We have Vanita ji. She is one of the most inspiring people I have met. Vanita ji, કેમ છો?
બસ મજામાં.
તો કેવું રહે તમારા માટે આ કેમ્પ?
બહુ સરસ.
બહુ સરસ. શું શીખવા મળ્યું અહીંયા?
મને તો બે વર્ષથી હું કરું છું, પણ આ વખતે મને બહુ સારું લાગ્યું છે. એમાં ઇમ્પ્રુવમેન્ટ મને એટલું થયું છે કે મને પોતાને યકીન નથી થતું કે હું, અને આમાં ત્રણ સ્ક્વેરના છે ને, અને લાસ્ટ ટાઈમ 2 સ્ક્વેરના હતા, પણ મને આ વધારે ઇઝી લાગ્યું છે.
તો આમાં વધારે પઝલ્સ છે આ વખતે?
વધારે પઝલ છે અને મજા આવે છે.
તો એક મારો સવાલ છે તમને, તમારી એજ કેટલી છે અગર હું પૂછી શકું તો? 58. તો આ એજે તમને ચેસમાં ઇમ્પ્રૂવ થવા માટે શું પ્રોત્સાહન આપે, એટલે કેવી રીતે તમે આટલું મોટિવેટેડ છો?
મને આ તમારા પઝલથી મને વધારે પ્રોત્સાહન થયું છે, મોટિવેશન થયું છે, અને હું પ્રેક્ટિસ બી કરું છું, અને થોડા મારાથી ક્લાસીસ બી હું નાના છોકરાઓને કરાવું છું.
તમે શીખવાડો છો ચેસ?
એનાથી પણ મારું ઇમ્પ્રૂવ થયું છે.
વાવ.
અને હું ટુર્નામેન્ટમાં જઈને ટ્રોફીઓ બી ઘણી બધી 15-16 ભેગી થઈ ગઈ છે.
તો તમે ચેસ બહુ લેટ ચાલુ કર્યું કે નાના હતા ત્યારથી આવડતું હતું?
નાના હતા ત્યારથી આવડતું જ હતું, પણ પછી પહેલાં અહીંયા લગ્ન કરીને આવી, પછી લોકડાઉન આવ્યું, તો એની પહેલાં મેં મહેશ સર પાસે ચેસ શીખી હતી. પણ મહેશ સરને મને ઇમ્પ્રૂવ એટલું બધું ન કરાયું, બહાર જઈને ટુર્નામેન્ટમાં જઈને ટેલેન્ટ મારામાં આવ્યું છે.
અચ્છા, તો હવે તમને ચેસ એક તમારા લાઈફનો મોટો પાર્ટ થઈ ગયો છે?
યસ.
તમે શીખવાડો, પોતે ઇમ્પ્રૂવ પણ થાવ છો, ટુર્નામેન્ટ પણ રમો છો, આટલું બધું?
યસ. મને ક્લાસિકલમાં મને રેટિંગ લાવી છે.
કેટલી?
તો મને હવે ખબર નથી, એમાં 1500
હમણાં? અરે વાહ,
લાવી છે, મારી ટ્રાય છે.
લાવી છે, આવી નથી હજી?
ના લાવી
તો
છે.
તમારું મેઇન એમ છે ક્લાસિકલ રેટિંગ લાવવાનું?
સાગર સરને હું કહું છું કે સાગર સર અહીંયા ક્લાસિકલ ચાલુ કરે તો અમારા માટે બેસ્ટ છે.
કરશું, અમે નક્કી કરશું. થેન્ક યુ વનિતાબેન.
સાગર સર થેન્ક યુ. આ તમારું જે સમર કેમ્પ છે એમના માટે તમને બહુ થેન્ક યુ. ચેસ
બેઝ ઇન્ડિયા
ને થેન્ક યુ.
થેન્ક યુ વનિતાબેન, બહુ સરસ લાગ્યું. And we have little Shaurya here who is playing Blitz. Shaurya, did you solve the sheets?
Yes, sir.
How many?
I'm at 32 right
32. And what about you?
I only solved 2 sheets.
Why?
I was playing with everybody.
You loved playing here. Okay, please continue. And we have another amazing trainer here. Sorry to disturb you. We have Karishma. Karishma, you've been very busy during the camp with all the things going on, but you came here. You are the trainer for the first time at this camp.
Yes.
How has been your experience?
It has been great. I have managed to come for a few days. I have a lot of children coming in who I know, and it's a great way to teach so many new faces as well as known faces for me. So it's been an amazing first experience for me coming into the Chess Base India summer camp.
That's so nice. You also made some positions for the camp.
Yes,
and how does it feel when others are solving them?
It feels so good. I just have a student here who is coming to ask me for some help and make her understand how this sheet works. And so yes, I really feel happy to be a part of this whole process.
Beautiful. We
Thank
also
you.
have here शहनाज है यहाँ पर, BKN से आए हैं. शहनाज, कैसे हो?
मैं अच्छी हूँ.
शहनाज, तुमको कैसा लगा कैंप में? आप 2 दिन आए,
हाँ.
तो कैसा लगा?
अच्छा लगा.
हाँ, आपको कुछ सीखने मिला?
हाँ, बहुत कुछ सीखने मिला.
क्या मिला? एक चीज़ बता सकते हो?
ओपनिंग चेस एंड द सेंट्रल कंट्रोल.
तो सेंटर कंट्रोल करना चाहिए कि नहीं चेस में?
करना चाहिए.
करना चाहिए. तो आपने किया है क्या सेंटर कंट्रोल अभी?
हाँ, किया.
आपने लिखना सीख लिया?
हाँ, ओ आप नोटेशन भी सीख गए. Wow, that's amazing. So Shehnaz is here. She comes from a children's home.
ઓલું બી રમું છું, સમર શું કહેવાય?
સાયમલ
રમું છું.
ઓ, તમે સાયમલ પણ રમો? અરે વાહ, amazing. That's so nice. Hi. And here we have 4 more girls from BKN. What is your name? Khushbu, Sanjana, Gulab Shah, Preeti. And they are all practicing here at the camp. So nice to see this. And we also have few more people here, young kids who are solving sheets. We also have Praveena ji. Look at this, Praveena ji playing against our very regular member.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Borkar ji, correct?
Yes.
आप ऐसे ही पकड़ सकते हो. So बोरकर जी, कैसा था कैंप इस बार? How was it for you? कैसा लगा?
Unbelievable. The quality of puzzles in solving is a very, very difficult.
अच्छा. And you are also a trainer. आप सिखाते भी हो, है ना चेस?
Yeah.
तो यहाँ पे सॉल्व करके क्या आपको कुछ नए आइडियाज?
नया आइडिया, नई सिस्टम, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, नए आइडियाज देके कुछ नॉलेज मिलता है उसमें.
बढ़िया. और आप हमेशा आते हो, आप हमेशा चेस में इतना मेहनत करते हो. आपका एज क्या है?
मेरा एज अभी 84.
कितना?
84. 64.
64 इयर्स में आप इतना चेस के लिए एनर्जेटिक हो. चेस आपको बहुत पसंद है?
चेस ऑल गेम्स वैसे तो है, तो उसमें चेस ज़्यादा पसंद करता हूँ. क्यों? नेचुरली थिंकिंग करना आप जो उसमें आता है वो
आपको पसंद है.
जो लास्ट टाइम जो शशांक ने जो बताया था, नाइट गोज टू ऑल 64 स्क्वायर्स. सो आई सॉल्व दैट एंड आई मेमोराइज दैट.
एक साल लगा आपको वो सॉल्व करने को?
1 साल लगा.
1 year.
1 year.
वाओ. सो यू आर थिंकिंग इन योर माइंड.
या.
अमेजिंग. थैंक यू बोरकर जी ये शेयर करने के लिए. एंड हाँ,
मैं आई कैन शो योर डेमो आल्सो दैट स्टार्ट टू एंड.
एक हम पूरा वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करेंगे अलग से.
थैंक यू वेरी मच सर. थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
And we have Praveena ji here. Praveena ji, you have just arrived in Mumbai from Chennai, it seems, yes?
Yes, sir. It's
And
been
you-
10 months.
10 months.
Yeah.
And you
from
came,
Chennai?
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
and you, it's your first experience at the big chess camp. How has it been?
My God, amazing. Actually, first day I came here, I thought I can collect the sheets and I can go. I want to see how it is. But after started solving the sheets, it is like awesome. I have decided I have to come on all the days and I want to volunteer. I want to volunteer the program. And it's an amazing experience. I brought my daughter here. She's also like chess. And it gives her energy. Because meeting people here, playing with them, it gives me, actually after a long time I am also playing because I coach chess for children, but generally children play with each other. Here I'm
Here
like,
I can see you not just playing but also writing down the moves.
yeah, I'm
That's so
enjoying playing the game here.
You are also writing. Wow.
While playing writing is a very practice, you know that.
Badhiya, thank you. So that's wonderful to know, Praveena ji. Thank you for sharing your experience. Thank you, Yashwant, Sanjay ji. And we have Kavan, our young guy, 8-year-old boy here who has finished all 40 sheets.
I'm on sheet 41.
41. Kavan, how did you enjoy this time's camp?
It was awesome. It really tested my knowledge and I had a lot of fun doing these
Kavan, your
sheets.
first camp that you attended was at 6 years old.
Yeah.
And now I see you become so strong as a player. Do you think these camps help you?
Absolutely. When in the first camp, I was barely able to do any sheets, and now I am like.
Now you are unstoppable.
I feel I'm.
And you sometimes, earlier you used to get bored. You used to tell your dad, let us go and eat something. But this time I could see you were here for 4 hours. Even you wanted to stay more.
Yes.
How did this change happen?
The bet.
Sorry?
The bet.
My bet?
Yeah.
Can you tell us what was the bet?
It was a sheet. He had. It was a mated one sheet, but there was a really tricky one. There was a tricky puzzle. I had to do all of them right. He would buy anything. Sagar sir would buy me anything from the mall if I got all right. But if I got one wrong, I would be not able to buy anything from this mall. I got one wrong in a tricky puzzle, and now I can't.
So now after the camp ends, you will go and eat something.
Yeah.
So nice to know, Kavan. Thank you for doing all of this. And we have another trainer here, amazing head trainer, Shashank Bhai. Hello, Shashank. How are you?
Great.
Shashank, you are known for your puzzles that you create, the positions. How has been the camp this time? I think people have enjoyed the positions a lot. Did you feel some difference? नहीं? No difference for you? बोलो बोलो बिंदास. हिंदी में बोल सकते हो.
I'm feeling really great to be the part of the camp, and it's amazing to like see people coming from the different age group and different locations and coming here and all together are learning chess by their own, and people are really loving chess. They are enjoying the game of chess.
And Shashank, you are a very busy trainer. You teach so many people, yet you find time to come here. What inspires you to come here to this camp?
I think it's a common thing between all of us is the chess, our love towards the chess. That's we enjoy most, no matter where we stay or what country we are from. Like people are coming from different backgrounds are coming together too, and no one is judging you based on the part, and everyone with a different age group are just playing chess and they're sharing their knowledge and improving their skills, and people are really loving it.
Beautiful. Thank you, Shashank. For all your work, I can say Shashank has put some amazing positions in the sheets. So thank you for that work.
Thank you so much.
And here we see our one of our volunteers who works day in and out for chess, Neelkant.
Hello, sir.
Neelkant, you are just 17 years old.
Yes.
16?
Yeah, 16. I will turn 17 in July.
In July. But you've been here solving, volunteering. You also go to a lot of homes to teach chess. Suddenly, like, chess has become such a big part of your life.
Yes, thanks to you and Chessbase India.
What is it about chess that you like so much?
I don't know. I just like the game. I love it.
You love it, yes?
And if I can play good, I feel I should share my knowledge and improve my game.
And do you also enjoy the camp here?
Yes, it's fantastic. It's amazing.
What did you enjoy the most?
Like solving sheets. Here we make new friends. The communication skills, the teaching skills improve.
So you like all of that?
Yep.
Amazing.
And the sheets are fantastic.
You like that? Oh,
yes.
Thank you, Neelkant.
Thank
That's
you, sir.
very nice to know. Here is one boy who has solved more than 40 sheets.
Yeah.
How many?
I have solved 41 sheets.
41. Did you enjoy solving all of them?
It was too good. It was like really testing my brain. After 40 it got too difficult and I just kept aside and focused on my games. Like now I'm practicing notation by writing moves and all for preparing the inter-school tournament.
Oh, you are going to play in under 14?
Open.
Open?
Yeah.
Okay, all the best to you.
Thank you so much.
And what's your name?
Akansh.
Akansh.
Yeah, Akansh Stationery.
Okay, Akansh, so nice to know. And as we move in, guys, you will see that different people are doing different things here. We have this group of players who are completely playing Bug House?
Yes, sir.
Wow, no, Bug House nahi, Blitz khel rahe. We also have Karthik Bhai here. Hi.
Hello, sir.
Where have you come from?
Nasik.
Nasik?
Yes, sir.
What brings you all the way from Nasik to this camp?
Sir, the beauty of this camp, because last summer I joined it and I was very happy with it. And then I decided let's solve it and then volunteer it.
And you came here from Nashik for 2 days or 3 days?
Sir, I came for like 4 days and the tournament also.
Wow, so you will be there during the tournament?
Yes.
Just tell us, like, what is it about this camp that makes you feel to come all the way from Nashik here?
Maybe the people. I think they are very supportive. There is not like discrimination about you don't know about chess. I learned like basics from here and I'm very happy. And everyone is so supportive. That's very nice.
That's what you love. This entire community feeling.
Yes, community feeling. Yeah.
Very nice.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Karthik, for coming all the way from Nashik. And we also have this amazing family of, what is your name?
Abhiraj.
Abhiraj. And aapka naam?
Shweta.
Shweta. Abhiraj and Shweta, I know that you came on day 1 and you came late.
Yes.
You reached Phoenix Market City at 8 p.m. And it was the end of the day. And you came all the way from Virar?
From Virar.
Or Vasai?
Virar.
Virar.
From Virar.
It takes 2 hours to come?
2.5 hours.
2.5 hours. What brings you again to the camp? You came, I think, 4 days now.
Yes.
What is it that you like?
अभिराज को बहुत पसंद है, मगर जो इसका इश्यूज़ है, हेल्थ इशू ADHD है, तो जो स्ट्रेंजर्स या एज अ कोच वो फेमिलियर नहीं हो पाता है, तो इज लर्न फ्रॉम मासी एंड मामा. ही इज़ द कैम्प एंड ही इज़ एंजॉयिंग, ही इज़ लर्निंग द.
तो कैंप में यहाँ पर उसको सीखने मिला?
यस, बिल्कुल सर. नितिन सर एंड शशांक सर, सर ने काफ़ी हेल्प किया है अभिराज को. वो सीख भी रहा है, मज़ा भी आ रहा है उसको. जो उसका एक डर था कि स्ट्रेंजर है या मुझे कहीं जाना नहीं सीखने, वो थोड़ा उससे ऊपर आके अपने आप को कर रहा है, यहाँ पे खेल पाया.
और अभिराज, आपको मज़ा आया?
यस.
आपको चेस और खेलना है?
यस.
आप ये इंटर स्कूल टूर्नामेंट खेलोगे? नहीं,
अभी जस्ट बेसिक है.
अभी जस्ट सीख रहा है, तो थोड़े टाइम बाद खेलेगा.
यस सर.
अगले साल खेलोगे?
अगले दिवाली में.
बढ़िया, वेरी गुड. थैंक यू सो मच अभिराज. ऑल द बेस्ट तुमको. And that's so nice to know. Here Abhiraj working very hard on his chess. We also have another very interesting board here. We have Raj bhai here. Hello Raj. Arey, le lo Raj bhai. How are you doing?
Fine.
Raj, you have solved 31 sheets.
Yes. 32 is
32 is going on. कैसा लगा इधर कैंप
अच्छा
में?
लगा. 6 दिन लगातार आने के बाद तो इज अ इम्प्रूवमेंट
लग रहा है.
यस.
तो आप ये शीट सॉल्व क्यों कर रहे हो? आपको क्या मोटिवेट करता है इतना टाइम देने को चेस
जो अभी अपन ओपनिंग करते हैं तो उसके जो मिडल गेम में रहता है पीसेस, जिसमें कभी कभी अपन ब्लंडर हो जाते हैं या कभी अपना पीस डाउन हो जाता है, तो जो शीट में अलग अलग पजल्स है, जैसे चेकमेट हुआ या मिडल गेम या स्कीवर, तो अपन इसमें कर सकते हैं. खेलते खेलते उसको सीख सकते हैं कि इसमें क्या करना है, ये पजल ये मूव में क्या कर सकते हैं.
तो इससे आपको और क्या ये सीखकर आपको आगे चल के चेस कोच बनना है? ट्राई करना है. yes. कि आप भी किसी को सिखा सको.
यस.
क्या बात है. थैंक यू राज भाई. एंड वी हैव 2 अमेजिंग वॉलंटियर्स हियर, मिताली एंड स्वयं. हेलो मिताली.
हेलो.
हाउ आर यू?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm very good. Mitali, you are, I met you at one of the camps before and you were a student, you were so dedicated. We also gave you a prize that time, remember?
Yeah.
You got a book.
Yeah.
And this time you are here as a student but also as a volunteer.
Yeah.
So how has it been? And first few days I think you managed all the printouts, you tried to arrange everything.
Yeah.
How has your experience been?
With management, actually everyone managed it together, so that was smooth. And as a volunteer, the experience was very nice. It was amazing to see parents trying to learn with their kids, and even small kids solving all the sheets, and their dedication just to solve. And even if they are stuck at a puzzle, they won't give up. They would want to find the answer and understand the mechanism. So their motivation and dedication was really inspiring.
Very cool. And Swayam,
hello Sadhu.
You are very passionate as a trainer. I see you working for hours and hours, not getting tired. Do you like chess coaching?
Yes, I do like to teach because when I'm teaching, I also get improved. It polishes my skills in a way, you can say.
And you don't live in Mumbai, right? You are from some other city.
I was actually living in Mumbai, but due to my dad's transfer, I got to Nasik. Then I got introduced to chess in Nasik. And then when I came back to Mumbai in 2023, I got connected with Praful sir. So I am now under him.
Wow. And what is it about big chess camp that you like?
Big chess camp, it is the atmosphere here, the learning atmosphere. The people never give up here. They are even if they are stuck in a puzzle, they are continuously trying. So we are also stuck in this puzzle since this is the 45th set. And it's the 5th puzzle.
I think Shatanik might be getting a lot of hiccups right now. Everyone is remembering him.
We are trying to solve this since past 1 hour. We are not getting it.
Wow. That's so amazing to see the dedication and the effort that is being put in. Thank you, Mitali. Thank you so much, Swayam. And now going here to a parent. Hello. Hi, you are a parent here. Your daughter is learning here.
Yes.
How
This
has
is the
been
first
the
time
camp
we have
for
come
you?
for the first time in this camp, and this camp has given us a lot. Probably coming from a far distance, that is not very far, but we're from suburbs, Kalyan, and my child now knows how to solve puzzles, which she was not ready to indulge. Even by telling her by coach, her professors, they used to tell her to solve the puzzles, but she's like, I don't know how to start. So what she has learned here with a lot of coaches, lot of volunteers, you yourself, sir, has helped her so much that she has now confidence. Earlier she used to cry, like, I cannot play under 15, I can't play under 13, I am just 12. So that barrier has gone. Now we are able to overcome that, and I'm looking forward to the inter-unit competition.
Inter-school from day after.
Yeah, competition.
And you also mentioned when you came here on day 1 that you have come here for 1 day, but then you did come again and
Yes,
again. That's a nice thing.
Yes, basically it was too far away for me and my child in the scorching heat to come. But the first day when she attended, and she was so thrilled, she's like, I want to come and I want to complete all my sheets because I want that certificate. And she's been roaming here and there, asking everybody for help, trying to solve, and she's reached till 43 somewhat, but she's very happy. So touch wood, I will be definitely joining this club even in future.
That's so nice to know. Thank you for sharing your experience here. And we have one more person. Hi. You want to say something?
Yeah, my name is Adrit, and I like the chess camp. Like nowadays, every third week of the month, they have like a tournament. I come there. I come for the club. I play this today and for the last 2 days, 3 days almost. They have been organizing. Yeah, they have been organizing this camp where they gave sheets and with puzzles on them and a certain topic, and you can solve them and get them corrected from a volunteer. And I mean, there's a unique diversity of players over here. So you can come here, get a chance to play against. It doesn't matter the rating, it just matters the game or how intense it is. Because
Do you think you improved as a player here?
Yes. Since my first tournament over here, I have improved a lot.
Beautiful. Adrit, thank you for sharing your experience and coming here to the camp. And we have one more very important person whom we want to talk with. It is the man who keeps working throughout the clock with a lot of dedication here, Nitin Bhai. Nitin Bhai, you are one of the head trainers here, and I see you working all the time, teaching people, teaching different people with great patience. How are you able to do it?
I think it's about the people, they come up with a different energy, and that's what motivate us. And the good part is this time, there was no single day the chair was empty. It was always been full, and that's which makes us more motivated. And and this time we have also crossed more than 450.
530 is what Pratima told me. Yes,
I think this is one of the highest numbers came. So it's a great thing, and hopefully in every camp the number keeps on increasing. So even for us also it's a big challenge. Now we have to make it in a much better way, and we also work the sheets in a much better way. So hopefully the next camp we will come up with a much better way of preparation of the sheets.
And you yourself are a very busy trainer. You have a lot of trainings. You are also a yoga teacher. So you have yoga sessions. Yet you find time for this camp.
Yeah.
What is it about this camp that makes you come again here?
Whenever this camp starts, I make sure that my schedule is properly aligned, and I make sure I do cancel some of my sessions for this camp. So yeah, this makes me also more happy to help everyone, and it encourages me also to work on this. And it's not a one way, it's a give and take. It's also a learning experience for me also.
And can you tell us what is the most memorable aspect of this camp for you?
The best part of which I feel is if you come to this camp, there are all age category, right from the kid from 6 to 7 years or the people around 60 or 65 plus. We can see all age category, which is very good to see, and that's which make us more motivated.
Beautiful. Thank you, Nitin bhai, for being one of the pillars of this camp.
Thank you. Thank you.
Without you, it was not easy to do it. We have someone who's just come today to the camp, your first day.
Yes.
Could you tell your name?
My name is Monica Thakkar.
Monica, how has been your experience? You have been here since last 2 hours or so.
Yes, yeah, absolutely.
And you did a few sheets as well.
Sheets, yeah. 3 sheets and a few sheets have been given to practice. So I'm very happy that I got to
did you enjoy your time here?
Lovely, yes.
You liked it?
Yes, yeah. Such a amazing value add, and I took more sheets so I can practice at home. And Nitin sir has taught me so much, so I'm very happy.
That's so nice to know.
My
Thank you.
inspiration is Samay Raina.
Oh, why?
Because chess is always thought to be a very nerdy game. But since this merger of comedy and chess is there, it inspired us to also come. He makes a very nerdy game like chess so approachable.
Wow, that's so nice to know.
It's a huge inspiration.
I hope that someday you can play chess with Samay.
Oh, thank you so much. That'll be a dream come true.
Thank
you so much,
Thank
Sagar,
you
for arranging all of this.
Yes, thank you. And we have one person whom we haven't interviewed yet. He is come all the way from Delhi. Adarsh bhai is here. He is the head of tech at Chessbase India. Adarsh bhai, what is it about big chess camp that you come from Delhi? You're not even coding anything here, but playing chess. Tell us your experience.
I actually just love it here. The people, everything, the positive energy. Everyone is solving sheets. Everyone is playing games, and everyone is so motivated about chess. And everyone just loves chess. Actually, the vibes and everything is just really amazing. So I try to come every 6 months here in every edition. Yes.
Do you think this kind of vibe matches with the tech community? Because I've seen tech community always sharing with each other.
Yes.
And it's a little bit similar here, yes?
Yes. Usually we also in tech community have conferences and everything, something new releases, we gather around and talk about it. There's similar sort of things happens in tech community as well. But this is a very closed community, and not closed but actually open community, but very small community, but a lot of passion. In tech community, people usually comes around and just does anything, but here everyone really loves chess. Literally everyone is there till 4 to 8 p.m. every day. And there are so many regular people as well, which is usually not the case in the tech community. So this is something really truly special for me.
Is there anything very memorable that happened for you during this camp?
Yeah,
because you were also teaching people, you are also solving, you are doing many things, you are also playing.
Yeah. So my most favorite part is that a lot of you can find every age group, like even 4-year-old kids up to 60-year-old people. So I love helping them and playing chess with them. So that's my favorite part here. There's no age barrier and we are all connected through chess.
And after this camp, does that give you some kind of new ideas to work on chess, or how is it?
Sure, there's a lot of things, and this actually after going back home after attending the first edition of this, I talked to you as well, and I mentioned that this brought me a lot closer to chess and what I'm doing, and it created a vision for me. And I think this is the thing that really motivates me to build something for the chess community.
Beautiful.
Yes.
And you think such camps can happen? Maybe in Delhi we should do something.
Yes, but this is truly special for me and I do not want to miss it out. And if it happens on a different time, I would definitely do it. But I just do not want to miss this one.
Then whenever it happens in Mumbai, you want to be here.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Adarsh bhai, for coming here and not just spreading your knowledge, but also helping to organize many of the aspects. It's very cool here. Oh, we have Daksh bhai here. Hello, Daksh. Another volunteer with a very nice hairstyle. Daksh bhai, how has it been for you?
Oh, it has been a very wonderful summer camp for me. Me being in the core team this time, so making the sheets.
You actually created 3 sheets, I believe.
Yeah, correct.
42, 43, 44. No,
43 and 16. I helped with Karishma. I did few sheets over there, and 44 with Shashank bhai. So it was really good.
And all people are struggling with those sheets.
Even me sometimes, because I forgot the answers and I'm calculating again. But the quality of the sheets have been improved this time really well, and the students are having a fun time solving it. So it is always a pleasure helping them and solving the sheets with them.
Beautiful. Daksh, thank you for doing this brilliant work that you are doing. We have one more very special person at the camp. Sir, could you introduce yourself?
Hi, मैं Praveen.
Praveen ji, you are not just a chess coach, but you are also an advocate.
Yes.
But every time when the camp happens, I see that you are here helping everyone, teaching everyone. How do you do it? कैसे कर लेते हो?
एनर्जी है चेस सिखाने का, चेस खुद सीखने का भी, और चेस ने हमें इतना कुछ दिया है तो हम भी चाहते हैं हमें भी कुछ चेस के लिए करना चाहिए. चेस बेस इंडिया इतना कुछ कर रहा है, सागर शाह सर कर रहे हैं, तो हमारा भी थोड़ा सा कुछ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बनता है कि कुछ करें हम चेस के लिए. और यहाँ आके मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
क्या महसूस होता है यहाँ आकर? आपको क्या अच्छा लगता है बिग चेस के?
सारे बच्चे चेस खेल रहे हैं, उनके डाउट क्लियर कर रहे हैं, शीट सॉल्व कर रहे हैं. अभी ये मैडम कब से बैठी है, इतना कॉन्सेंट्रेट कर रही है, कब से कर रही है कॉन्सेंट्रेट. तो ये अच्छा लग रहा है कि इतना डेडिकेटली वो सब जन कर रहे हैं चेस के लिए, तो अच्छा लगता है ये सब.
और आपको हमेशा हम देखते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच, आप इतना सबको हेल्प कर रहे हो उसके लिए.
यस सर, थैंक यू.
Thank you. And I want to just take one thought from a parent here, Himanshu Bhai, who is the father of Kavan. Himanshu Bhai, this camp, I think you and Kavan have been a big part of it since the first edition. Now this is the 5th one. How do you see it impacting Kavan? Can you share a bit of your opinion?
Sure. I think in number of ways it does. This is a brilliant initiative. I have not seen an initiative like this. I've been kind of talking to so many people over the last 2 years, 2.5 years since Kavan has picked up chess. Chess has been part of his career growth, actually I would put it that way, because it helps him grow his personality in so many different ways. As a camp here, every year when Kavan has come over here, I've typically seen his rating on the chess.com grow, right? So I can clearly see direct impact on his thought thinking process, the way he kind of starts seeing the board. It's evolving every year, and every time when I come over here, it's a fresh energy. I think so many volunteers to kind of guide him in so many different ways. It's amazing. I think this camp has created a community for kids like Kavan. Everybody's come together, started sharing thoughts, started helping each other in terms of when they look at the puzzles and they start discussing with each other. I think that's a great way of learning as well. So this camp is doing multiple amazing things, I would say. Like I said, never seen an initiative elsewhere like this. And what else? I think amazing. I think just can't thank enough for having a camp like this for Kavan, and it's coincidentally happened for us that Kavan started chess and this camp has kind of come up for him every time. And it's been journey for Kavan now, and I think every time when I hear the feedback from the volunteers, it's very fulfilling in many ways.
In fact, seeing Kavan grow also helps us to see someone growing at chess right in front of our eyes, because at the first camp he was struggling to solve and now he's become so good.
Correct.
So
Yes,
so
I'm also kind of, I have kind of left him alone. So for example, for the first camp, I was with him for entire 4 hours for all these days, or at least myself or my wife, one of us, we will make time to do this. But this time I have just, most of the days I have just dropped him, left him here, and he's still 8, 9, turning 9, and he's become so confident, very comfortable with the camp, with people, environment, and individually he's grown as well, right? As a 9-year-old kid, he's comfortable to tell me that, Papa, you can let me be here and I'll solve my puzzles and in the evening come back and pick up. So like I said, not only for his growth in chess, but his all-round development, it's been phenomenal. The chess itself has been phenomenal, and support of Chess Base, we come here every Saturday for every chess club, and even that has helped him a lot. So I mean, kudos to the entire initiative, kudos to you, Sagar, and really look forward to kind of keep participating in your events going forward.
Thank you, Himanshu Bhai. That's so nice to know. Thank you for sharing this. And guys, this is the big chess summer camp that we hold here. Oh, we have Akash here. Hello, Akash Bhai, the latest IM of India. Akash, how did you like this camp overall? You also spent maybe an hour or so here.
Yeah, I spent some time here. The vibe is really good here actually, a lot of people, so
feels good, very nice. I see a lot of people trying to solve a lot of positions. I actually had a go at a few of them. One position I just did not get at all.
It's a tough one, 45th
yeah,
sheet
it's
maybe.
very difficult, very difficult. Very nice, very happy to see this.
Thank you, and you will be giving away some prizes today. So thank you for coming as one of the chief guests for today's camp.
My pleasure.
Thank you. Guys, we are slowly going to start with the closing ceremony. We have some certificates. Can we show it to our viewers? We have this oh wow, that's such a beautiful certificate here for completing all levels 1, 2, 3 of the Big Chess Summer Camp organized by ChessBase India and Teach Chess India with signatures of the head coach. Wow. So all those who finished 40 sheets will get this. That's so nice.
Prizes as well for some of the talents that like even if some people could not finish 40 sheets, but if their stories were inspiring or we found them very talented, then we also have
some
special
books, pens
yes.
here.
These are for our volunteers who were there with us for all the days.
Wow,
Yes.
that's amazing. Thank you, Vidhi, and thank you so much everyone for following this video. It's a long one, but I wanted to share all the stories of this entire camp because it means so much to us to organize this, to make this camp happen here. Bye. Do you want to say anything?
Yeah, this camp was wonderful.
You said that. Do you want to say bye to the viewers?
Bye.
Bye. And we are now going to do this next year as well. And I hope this is my dream actually, that and I think dream of many people, that we are able to do such camps across India, across every city in the country, which can really boost the chess culture. And doing it in malls, doing it somewhere else, it would be epic. A big shout out to Phoenix Market City for giving us this wonderful space to hold this thing. And yeah, thank you all for watching this video. Bye bye. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Srirang Bondale.
Srirang Bondale, you came from Pune 4 times. You went back from Mumbai, so you came at 4 p.m. Then you went back at 8 p.m. to Pune.
Yes.
Then you came back again. How many times did you do that?
4 days.
4 days. What makes you travel so much? Pune is 3 hours away. So you are traveling 6 to 7 hours every day.
8 hours.
8 hours. Why were you doing this?
I mean, I had no other option, so I was near.
Well, the other option was not to come.
Yes.
That was an option. What is it about this camp that you are okay to travel so much?
I mean, it was my wish to attend this camp for a long time. Last year I wasn't able to, I didn't know about it. This year I was in time, so.
Brilliant. Yeah, my mind is blown, Srirang. Thank you for doing this.